Welcome to the User Interface, UI Design Assessment Module. The interface is the front door of your software. A deep understanding of UI vocabulary is essential for creating intuitive and effective user experiences. Let's begin the assessment. Theme 1. Propose a graphical user interface, GUI, for standalone and web applications. Focus, desktop and browser-based interfaces, GUI, graphical user interface, a type of interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators rather than text-based commands. Usability, the extent to which a system can be used by specified users to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction. Accessibility, the design of products, devices, services, or environments for people with disabilities, ensuring they can interact with the software. Responsive design, a design approach that makes web pages render well on a variety of devices and screen sizes by using flexible layouts and images. Wireframe, a low-fidelity skeletal representation of a web page or application screen, focusing only on the layout and content arrangement, not visual design. Call to action, CTA, a prompt on a web page or application that encourages the user to take a specific desired action, e.g., sign up, buy now. Assessment question. Example: which design approach ensures a website's layout adjusts fluidly to fit a desktop monitor, a tablet, or a small laptop screen? Answer: responsive design. Theme 2. Propose a graphical user interface for mobile applications. Focus: touch-based and device-specific interfaces. Mobile UI, the set of interactive elements and visual presentation designed specifically for smaller touchscreen devices like smartphones and tablets. Gesture, a specific motion made by the user on a touchscreen, such as swipe, pinch, or tap, that triggers a command or action. Viewport, the visible area of a web page or application screen on a mobile device, which determines the area available for content. Affordance, a property of an object or design element that gives the user a clue on how to use it, for example, a raised button that suggests tapping. Haptic feedback, the use of touch or vibration to communicate information to the user, commonly employed in mobile UIs to acknowledge a successful tap or input. Thumb zone, the area on a mobile screen that is easily and naturally reachable by a user's thumb for comfortable interaction. Which concept refers to the area of a mobile screen that a user can comfortably interact with using only their thumb? Theme 3. Build a navigation map. Focus, user flow and system structure. Navigation map, a diagram or flowchart that visually represents the structure of an application or website, showing all screens and the paths a user can take between them. User flow, a path a user takes to complete a specific task within the application, starting from entry and ending with a final action, e.g., reset password flow. Information architecture, IA, the structural design of shared information environments. It involves organizing, structuring, and labeling content to support findability and usability. Breadcrumb, a secondary navigation aid that shows the user's location within the application's hierarchy, e.g., home, products, electronics. Sitemap, a hierarchical list of pages, typically used in web applications, that defines the overall organization and content structure. Which artifact visually represents the sequence of screens a user encounters while completing a specific task within an application? Answer: user flow. Theme 4. Develop prototypes. Focus, iterative design and testing. Prototype, a preliminary version or model of a software product used for testing and gathering feedback before final development. Fidelity, the level of detail and realism in a prototype, often classified as low, medium, or high. High-fidelity prototype, a prototype that is very close to the final product in terms of visual design, content, and interactive behavior. Usability testing, a technique used to evaluate a product by testing it on representative users to identify problems and gather feedback. A/B testing, split testing, a method of web or mobile testing where two versions, A and B, of a design element or screen are compared to see which performs better with users. Iteration, the process of refining and improving a design or prototype based on testing results and feedback. Assessment. Question. Example. If you are comparing two distinct layouts of a checkout page to see which results in a higher conversion rate, what testing method are you employing? Answer. A/B testing or split testing. Designing intuitive interfaces is a balance of aesthetics and functionality. By mastering this UI vocabulary, you enhance your ability to specify, communicate, and build user-centric software. You've completed the UI design and prototyping assessment.